Hi guys, I'm Yuki Japanese hairdresser. How's it going? Other day, I saw a comment from my subscribers. To put it simply, she wants to know how to make tomboy hairstyle. Her daughter really wants it. It's an emergency. Do I make it in time? I realized that this comment was from 3 weeks ago. Did she cut the hair already? But I will make a tutorial video for her, so please watch these videos. Let's get started. Okay, let's make an under section first. We're gonna connect the temple point to the back point. By the way, actually, I've never heard of a tomboy hairstyle until they told me, so I googled it. The search revealed that tomboy hairstyles are popular with girls. In my view, this hairstyle will lead you to cool image. I mean, you will definitely become even more attractive person. Have you finished sectioning the hair? Okay, I'm cutting the hair using hair clippers. These clippers have 6mm attachment on the tip. If you have no hair clippers, it's okay to use scissors. I'm gonna not explain how to do undercut using scissors because it took a long time you expect. So as the next opportunity, I'm gonna make detailed video. On second thought, I will explain how to do an undercut briefly because one of them have no hair clippers, right? Wait a second. We're gonna scoop up the hair with a comb and we cut the hair carefully. We are able to make a long hair guide when we keep distance from the skin. Conversely, we are able to make a short hair guide when we stay close to the skin. When the hair guide is ready, we bring everything underneath the hair to guide and repeat the same movement. Take off hair clips. The front of point is higher than the back of the point. I'm lifting the first panel 45 degrees from ground. As you can see, the side length is around the earlobe. When we made a hair guide, we bring upper part of the hair to guide and cut. We keep 45 degrees. The opposite side is same movement. I recommend that the bang lengths be between nose and lip. In my view, long bangs makes hairstyle appealing. We're gonna be sectioning the bangs area like a triangle. Connecting the bangs to side area. We're gonna pull the hair forward and lift up. Don't cut too much. Okay, I'm gonna make back section. The back length is an extension line from the nose point. If the back length is too short, the hairstyle won't be as cool. We're gonna be connecting the side and back when we made the back section. Sectioning is like this. We're gonna cut the top hair section to make the hair guide for 15 or 14 centimeters. We are going to move forward seeing the hair guide after we make it. Okay, finally, I'm gonna put the hair oil. Thank you for always watching my videos. We can apply this method to another hairstyle. So like this, let's practicing. See you next time, bye!